Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's 7th August 2026. In this video, I'll show you how to buy an Ahrefs group buy through Supreme SEO, the complete registration process, pricing, payment, and how to access the tool. I'll also explain the practical limitations so you know exactly what you're getting. If you're looking for affordable group buy SEO tools, Supreme SEO offers access to multiple premium SEO tools from one dashboard. Let's start by visiting supremeseo.com and creating a free account. Enter your name, email address, create a password, and click register. The process only takes a few seconds. Now check your inbox. You'll receive a verification email from Supreme SEO. Open the email and click Verify Email Address. Once verified, you can log into your account. After logging in, you'll reach the dashboard where all available tools are listed. Supreme SEO offers multiple group buy SEO tools, including Ahrefs, SEMrush, SimilarWeb, Moz, BuzzSumo, KW Finder, SpyFu, ChatGPT, Canva Pro, and more. Today, I'm purchasing Ahrefs. The official Ahrefs Lite plan starts at around $129 per month, which can be expensive for freelancers and beginners. On Supreme SEO, Ahrefs is available starting at just $14.99 per month, making it a much lower cost option for users who don't need a full direct subscription. Click on Ahrefs and proceed to checkout. Before purchasing, review the plan details so you understand exactly what level of access is included. I'm paying with PayPal, but you can also choose Stripe, credit card, UPI, Paytm, or other available payment methods. Complete your payment. After the payment is successful, go to Active Subscriptions. You'll now see your Ahrefs subscription listed there. Click on the subscription to open Ahrefs. From here, you can start exploring keywords, checking backlinks, analyzing competitors, and using other SEO features available through your subscription. That's how you can purchase an Ahrefs group buy through Supreme SEO. If you found this walkthrough helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in the next video.